So you've got a weekend and a microvan and absolutely no plans. What do? You grab your keys, hop in, and hit the road. Welcome to microvan camping. A minimalist dream and the best way to feel like you've figured out life. For about 48 hours at a time. Let's talk about the 5 best things that make microvan camping the ultimate weekend escape. Number 1, the ultimate urban escape. You've spent the week battling emails, traffic, and meetings that could have been emails, but with your microvan, the city fades fast. Suddenly, you're miles away from the chaos, breathing fresh air, and remembering what peace actually sounds like. It's the perfect break from reality, except it is reality. And number 2, the efficient and cozy setup. Everything you need is within arm's reach. Morning coffee? Easy. A full kitchen? Well, not exactly, but let's call it efficient. With a portable power station, you're basically a modern-day nomad making coffee in the wild. And look at this setup. Cozy, compact, and no wasted space. Who needs a giant RV when you've got everything you need right here? Number 3, spontaneity. With a microvan, there's no overthinking. Wake up, feel the itch to hit the road, and just go. That's it. No reservations, no let me check the calendar, just pure unfiltered freedom. And the best part, you're not limited by where you can go. Beach day? Done. Mountains tomorrow? Why not? Microvan, big dreams. Number 4, it fits anywhere. Whether you're squeezing into a tight parking spot in the city or finding a hidden trailhead in the middle of nowhere, this van's like a ninja. It can slip in and out of just about anywhere. And while the bigger van guys are circling for parking, you're already chilling by the beach, enjoying your impromptu coffee stop. And finally, simplicity. Microvan camping strips down everything unnecessary and leaves you with the essentials. No complex setups, no frills, just you, the van, and the adventure. Sure, you don't have a full kitchen or a 5-star bathroom, but who needs it when you've got views like this? The smaller the van, the bigger the adventure. So whether you're chasing sunsets or simply chasing a break from the daily grind, microvan camping is your ticket to quick escapes, cozy vibes, and endless possibilities. Just remember, less is more. Except when it comes to snacks. Always pack more snacks.